In November 2024, China introduced a groundbreaking new weapon system at the Zhuhai Airshow, the Hurricane 3000 high-power microwave weapon system, developed by NORINCO, the China North Industries Group Corporation. While still not in active service with the People's Liberation Army, field tests of the Hurricane 3000 have already shown promising results, sparking significant interest in its potential to neutralize the growing threat of drone swarms. The rise of drones in modern warfare, especially seen in the ongoing Russia-Ukraine conflict, has underscored the vulnerability of military forces to swarms of UAVs used for reconnaissance, strikes, and kamikaze-style attacks. This has driven nations worldwide to seek effective countermeasures. NORINCO's Hurricane 3000 provides a solution using high-power microwave energy to disable drones by targeting their electronic systems. Unlike traditional missile systems, which are costly and prone to collateral damage, HPM technology offers a cost-effective, precise, and low-risk way to neutralize multiple drones at once. Mounted on a high-mobility chassis, the Hurricane 3000 uses an advanced microwave array to emit powerful electromagnetic pulses, disrupting the control systems of drones and rendering them inoperable. The system can detect targets up to 6 kilometers away and track them optically at a range of up to 4 kilometers. Even micro-drones beyond 3 kilometers can be precisely locked on and neutralized. Zheng Shuyang, a NORINCO expert, explains that the Hurricane 3000's microwave technology has an effective range of 3 kilometers, which is 10,000 times greater than a standard household microwave. The system works by emitting high-power microwave beams that instantly burn out a drone's electronic components, effectively neutralizing the threat at near light speed. This rapid response makes it especially effective against fast-moving aerial threats. In field tests, the Hurricane 3000 disabled a small UAV mid-flight, confirming its ability to engage various types of drones, from reconnaissance models to larger, more advanced UAVs used for precision strikes. The system's versatility also includes its ability to protect against saturation attacks. Its microwave beam forms a hemispherical mosquito net, providing protection against large swarms of drones and preventing them from entering protected airspace. Although still undergoing testing, the Hurricane 3000 has already demonstrated its potential to revolutionize counter-drone technology. With China's increasing investment in directed energy systems like high-power microwave and laser weapons, the Hurricane 3000 aligns with broader trends in military modernization. These directed energy weapons are considered essential for future warfare, providing a cost-effective, scalable solution to combat sophisticated drone threats. The Hurricane 3000 is part of China's wider effort to develop autonomous, unmanned, and networked defense systems, positioning the country as a leader in the future of defense technology. As drone warfare continues to evolve, systems like the Hurricane 3000 are set to play a pivotal role in shaping next-generation military strategies, offering a rapid response, low-cost way to neutralize airborne threats. With the global shift towards more innovative counter-drone solutions, the Hurricane 3000 is a game-changer. Its successful field tests have shown that directed energy weapons are the future of aerial defense, and it may soon be a key player in protecting military assets and critical infrastructure worldwide. As nations continue to invest in counter-drone technologies, systems like the Hurricane 3000 could become a central element in modern defense arsenals.